Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to, this is what I call a hack, so to speak. This is a 2002 R6, and this is the flip switch. And as you can see right now, it looks fine. Prior to this, this was what came on it. So I picked this bike up. Previous owner dropped it. No, I didn't drop it. Although I've had my share of drop bikes and spills, especially doing wheelies in the street. But they dropped it, and he had to get it through inspection, so he put some tape on it, and subsequently he passed. But you can take this out of your harness. This is a new one. I got a new one off of eBay. Actually, I had to buy get that for you. Actually, I had to buy the whole harness off of eBay, and I simply took this good switch right here, actually the white housing, the red flip switch, out of this white housing and connected it to this hot and connector right here. You see those two wires that are soldered on? Help you here. This little black triangle actually pops out of this white housing right here. See that? So you just stick this little small, really small flathead screwdriver in there, and you can pop it out here and on the back side right there. See that? And I simply took it and put it on over here. So this is the new one that came off of this, off of eBay. And you know, instead of taking all this off, instead of pulling all the cables off, then you gotta, you know, pull it out here, get the harness, which runs all the way down under here, and runs into here. You know, snip the ties, and you pull it out, the little brown connector. It's a 6-pin if I'm correct. And instead of doing all that, I decided to just take that red flip switch off of this one with the white holder and put it on to the existing one on the bike. All the wires were good and everything, and connected it there. Just popped it back into, you know, popped the black piece there into the white connector with the new, quote unquote, new red flip switch. So it's just a way to save money, and you know, I may end up using this one again at some other time, but anything that can save you a little time and money, especially as these bikes become, you know, it's hard to get parts for them, and you get them, they're pretty expensive. So just to keep it going and kind of keep it, it's in halfway decent shape. I'm going to get rid of it because I ride Harleys, but you know, I needed to you know, get something else here for a minute. So that's it. I hope that helps, and good luck.